Oh, okay. I've seen that cart back there. That's pretty neat. What do you think? Looks fast. Hi, Johnny.
Easy. How's them wings holding up? How's them wings? All right? Are they? Is there sauce on them, or are they just? They're not hot wings, or they're hot wings or not?
All kinds of different sauce.
Is there? All right. Well, I'm videoing now. I'll get in there then. There's Bob right there. Okay. Crumpet. Crumpet. He looks so nice.
How about that? Danny a couple of wings.
Yeah, I don't know what the deal is.
How many did you get?
Oh, that battery isn't charged up.
How's that look? Does it look like it's ready to get on?
Looks like it's about ready to race on it.
Okay.
Good for her.
Okay, go out.
Let's not let it dry out much more.
You're just wasting your water.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks
Hey
for
guys, get 'em
the
out there.
wings and all that.
Yeah.
It was really nice of
You
you.
might want to warm them up a little bit. Okay, now. You're going to help
Hey,
me find trails if I get somebody
Bob.
do the times, you can write them down. No, I'll get somebody to time. They'll tell you the times and you have to write them down. You don't have the numbers right here. Not forward.
Hey, Bob.
Green, white, yellow.
Bob. Okay, now. I gotta put this stick somewhere. Get a spectator shot. There's the big crowd. Big crowd. There's Kurt. Kurt wheeled my rod to a victory here the last time. Pretty much blew him away. Then he started in the back and it wasn't so easy. Well, you needed that clean air. I think that was what the problem was. Look at that air filter. Woo! Bob's got a new driver. We'll see ya. I'll start you up then, Kurt.